Hello guys, so if you're looking to send money through PayPal internationally, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you do is you simply open your PayPal either on your phone or browser, but I would suggest you to open this on a browser. So go to your browser. Now just simply log into your PayPal account, then just simply log in. After that, go to my PayPal. Now to send the money to anyone, there are multiple ways. The first way is you can click on send money over here or send payments. If you click that, you will be directly transferred to the send and request page of PayPal. So you can go that way, or you can directly click on pay and get paid over here, and after that you can click on money, and after that you will again come to this particular page. Over here what you do is just simply click on send to request payment. So click on that. Now again you will be sent to this particular page. Now over here what you have to do is just simply enter the email address, username or mobile number of the person that you want to send the money to. So for example, let me take some of my clients. So I have the email address of my client, so I'll just simply enter the email address, then his name should appear over here, so click on that. Now over here, for example, let's take your current payment method is $1, so your primary payment method is $1. So if you want to send money, let's say euro or Australian dollars, so over here you can choose that. If you are sending to any other country, by click on the country panel over here and choosing whichever currency you want to send to. If you want to send to USD, over here you can just simply enter the amount and you can send. But if you want to do internationally in a different currency, click on USD, choose the currency that you want to send in. It may be in BRL. Click on that, then enter the amount in your side, and you will be able to see how much it is changing over there as well. So let's say for example I want to send $100. As you can see over here, it will show you exactly how much your recipient will get. So after you have entered your amount, all you have to do is just simply give a reason for the payment. So let's say work, and after that hit continue. And now after that, over here it will show your shipping address. So if you don't have one, just simply click on no address needed and click on add a payment option if you don't have one. So click on add payment option, then enter your credit card or debit card details, enter your expiration date, your security code and your billing address. So after doing that, link your card and then just simply press pay, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.